When it comes to lightweight travel trailers, Keystone Passport has often been touted as a top option. And with great construction, floor plans, and amenities, it's no wonder why. Let's check them out, starting with some features. Passports have the SL series and the GT series. Frankly, the SL is just lighter as they share the majority of all the features. One of the first things you'll notice is the flooring. You're going to get residential vinyl flooring with waterproof hyperdeck construction, which means less weight without sacrificing structural integrity. Above your head is a lot of space, 81 inches at the peak for the GT series, as well as a high-efficient AC. A 13,500 BTU unit in the SL series and 15,000 BTU AC in the GT series, but the SL series does have the 15K option. For heat, you'll get a 30K BTU furnace, and the GT series has in-floor heat ducts. Let's talk furniture for a moment. You'll get upgraded furniture with a tri-fold sofa with theater seating option for some floor plans. Some also have the unique pivot furniture, a levered dinette seat that backshifts to form an L-shaped sofa. Quite a few floor plans will also have a U-shaped dinette. In the kitchen, you'll find plenty of space for dry goods in the stylish Arctic teak wood grain cabinets. For the cold stuff, you'll find an 8 cubic foot RV fridge in both model types or a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge option for the GT series. You'll find a seamless kitchen countertop, stainless steel sink with pull-down faucet, a microwave with carousel, and a 3-burner high-output range with a stove. To keep you entertained, you have a 12-volt stereo with Bluetooth and speakers. All Passports are set for you to drop in your own TV, and some do come with one standard. They all have 4G LTE and Wi-Fi prep, plus the Keystone exclusive Key TV multi-source signal controller. As for the Passport bedroom, there's a few features to note. You'll get a queen bed with a decorative bedspread, reading lights, plus bedside outlets, USB ports, and it's prepped for TV hookup. The bathroom is all set with a residential style countertop and a skylight over the shower or tub. The Passport also gives you near limitless hot water thanks to the Girard tankless water heater that'll get that hot water to you on demand. On the exterior, every Passport comes with a power tongue jack to make hookup easier and power stabilizer jacks to keep your Passport steady in the campground. Power continues via the easy-to-use power awning and the Keystone exclusive Solar Flex system, which delivers 200 watts of solar with a 400-watt upgrade with an inverter available. You can also opt for the 100 amp-hour Dragonfly lithium batteries for more off-grid capability. Access to the Passport interior is easy via the solid entry steps with the GT series, sporting more ride step above entry steps. Last but not least, the Passport has best-in-class exterior storage, with the pass-through having oversized 30 by 20 inch baggage doors, making it easy to store camp chairs or other large necessities. And when you open them up, this massive storage area even has motion sensor lighting. What's the one thing you want to make sure of before you head out to the campground? The quality of construction. Both the SL and GT series have a fully walkable roof, seamless, laminated, and gel-coated Phylon exterior, and color-coded unified wiring for easier electrical fixes. Other features unseen but super important include a one-piece polypropylene underbelly, tough-lock thermoplastic duct joiners, true-fit slide construction with BAL AccuSlide cable slide-out system with manual override, and high-performance water-resistant hyperdeck flooring. All this adds up to superior protection and is part of the extended season camping package to allow you to get out to a campground in early spring and stay out until late fall. When it comes to floor plans, Passport is loaded. So let's check out a couple select Passports in their SL series first, then move on to some of the GT series. The SL series runs from 3,500 to 6,000 pounds in unloaded weight and from 23 to 33 feet in length. First up is a couples model, the 229RK. The 229RK has a large kitchen counter sharing the back wall with the bathroom, an impressive living area slide out holding the kitchen appliances and tri-fold sofa. The bedroom is private with sliding doors, and the 229RK sleeping capacity is 5 standard or 3 if you opt for the theater seats. For the family who's ready to start RVing, there's the 221BH. The 221BH has double over double bunks with an exterior cargo door as well as an outside kitchen. The inside kitchen has a huge full-length pantry as well as a large U-dinette. A versatile Murphy bed sits up front, and the 221BH can sleep up to 8. Now, Passport GTs run 29 to 39 feet in length and average 6,500 pounds in unloaded weight. A good GT series floor plan for the camping couple is a 2700 RL. This model has a large slide out in the living area that dramatically opens the space. Within it are the theater seats that sit across from the entertainment center with a fireplace. On the back wall sits a large trifold sofa. The bathroom is walk-through, so it effectively splits the bedroom from the living area. The bedroom also has its own private entrance from the exterior, and the 2700 RL can sleep up to 5. A great Passport GT bunkhouse is the 2951BH. It has double over double bunks with an exterior cargo door, easy exterior access to the bathroom, a massive living area slide out, a pair of full-length pantries, a wide kitchen counter, and a TV with a soundbar. How many people can comfortably sleep in the 2951BH? 10 is standard, or 8 if you opt for the pivot furniture. Passport has a lot to offer in 2 different lines. While we covered a few floor plans here, visit rv.campingworld.com to see all available floor plans with pricing and availability nearest you.